Hello and welcome to your drain kit installation guide for Parts ASAP Combine World Manufacturing Pea Augers for MacDon. So we'll start with an Allen key and remove the drain plug from the end of the Pea Auger motor.
Snug.
Now this plug is going to come out pretty quickly and it is going to leak hydraulic fluid, so have something there to catch the hydraulic fluid instead of getting it on the canvas.
Pin in the elbow.
Then we're going to take the elbow fitting that's in your kit and just screw it into that drain hole. And then you just want to tighten it up.
Take the hose that's provided.
And then you just want to attach the hose that comes in your kit.
Tighten that up. That's that side, and then we just come over to this side. Move this fitting here. Tuck that out of the way. Put our key fitting on here. Hose to one end. Bring your other hose down, attach it. And then tighten up your hose fittings. And we're done.
Once you've got that all installed and tightened up, just run the Pea Auger for a few minutes, check to see if there's any leaks, and if you need to, retighten the connections. And that's it, you've successfully installed your drain kit for MacDon. Our website has installation guides as well as replacement parts. If you're within your 1-year warranty, please talk to us first, you should be covered. Please talk to us before you place any orders for replacement parts. If you want to order your Pea Auger, you can do so online or call us at 1-800-667-4515. Thank you.